Hello and welcome to your beginner's guide to the Windows operating system. Whether you're setting up a new computer or just getting started, this video will help you navigate Windows with confidence. Let's dive in. Windows is an operating system developed by Microsoft, acting as the backbone of your computer. It manages hardware, runs software, and provides the interface you interact with. Since its launch in 1985, Windows has evolved through versions like Windows 95, XP, and today's Windows 10 and 11, each offering smoother performance and smarter features. Now, let's explore popular versions. Windows 10, released in 2015, introduced the Start menu's hybrid design and Cortana, Microsoft's voice assistant. Windows 11, its 2021 successor, boasts a centered Start menu, improved multitasking, and better gaming support. Both receive regular updates for security and functionality. Why choose Windows? It's the world's most popular OS, powering millions of devices. Its strength lies in compatibility, running everything from office suites to games, and supporting peripherals like printers and game controllers effortlessly. Ready to explore? Your desktop is the main screen, featuring shortcuts and the taskbar at the bottom. The taskbar is your control center. The Start menu opens apps and settings, while the File Explorer manages documents, photos, and downloads. Personalize your experience by right-clicking the desktop. Change your background, adjust themes, or tweak system sounds. Dive into settings via the Start menu to modify display brightness, update preferences, or configure user accounts for family members. Installing software is straightforward. Download programs from trusted websites or use the Microsoft Store for curated apps. To remove software, head to Settings, then Apps, and select Uninstall. Keep your system clutter-free. File management is key. Create folders by right-clicking the desktop, name them clearly, and drag files into them. Notice file extensions like .docx or .jpg, they tell your computer which app to open them with. Stumbling into issues? Slow performance? Restart your device. Update problems? Use the Troubleshoot tool in Settings. For deeper help, Microsoft support site and user forums are goldmines. To recap, we've covered Windows basics, versions, navigation, customization, app management, and troubleshooting. Don't hesitate to experiment. Windows is designed for exploration. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more guides, and check the description for handy links. Thanks for watching, and happy computing!